In this BlueZoo demo, we'll explore the powerful reporting functionality. With BlueZoo, you can generate insightful reports that visualize your data. Let's dive in. To get started, go to BlueZoo.io and log in using your BlueZoo credentials. Reports can be created for groups of sensors or individual sensor locations. For this demo, let's create a group called Lobbies. Navigate to the Groups section on the left menu and click on the plus new icon in the upper right corner. Name the group Lobbies and click Create Group. Then, click the three dots next to the group name and select Add Sensor Location to Groups. Choose all 4 lobby sensors and click Add. Now, let's define a report for this group of sensors. Head to the Reports section in the left menu and click on the plus new icon in the upper right corner. You'll see an 8-step wizard pop up. In the first step, select the report target. For this demo, we'll choose Lobbies as our group and click Next. In step 3, choose the report periodicity, either one time or periodic. Let's go with recurring periodic report and click Next. Next, select the report frequency. We'll create a weekly report that visualizes hourly data for each week. Choose Weekly and specify an hourly visualization grain. In step 5, select the analytics to include in the report. Let's choose Visits and specify that the values across all the sensors be aggregated so we get only a single hourly number. Show roll-ups by day and hour, as well as a map of the sensor locations. Then, let's choose Visitors. Finally, let's add a graph of dwell time values per day and select an aggregation across the entire period. Once analytics are chosen, you can preview the report by clicking Preview. This report looks good. Let's return to the definition process. Clicking Next, you can now name your report. Usually, the suggested name is descriptive. This gives us the Lobbies Weekly Report. In step 7, add one or multiple email recipients for the report. Ensure that multiple emails are separated by commas or spaces. In the final step, enhance your report with branding. Add your organization's name. Choose your brand color. And upload your logo. Click Start Generating to finish defining the report. Reports are generated and delivered by email just after midnight for daily reports, and just after midnight on the last day of the week for weekly reports, etc. When the report is delivered by email, this is what your recipients will see. Your recipients do not need credentials to the BlueZoo dashboard to view these reports. Here is a report like the one we defined. You can also view generated reports under the Generated Reports menu. To modify an existing report's parameters, navigate to the Report Definitions section. Next, locate the specific report you'd like to edit and click on it. Let's modify the Weekly Lobbies report we just defined. Any parameter can be modified. Let's also include the aggregated visitors chart. Click on the Save button to save your updated settings. With BlueZoo reporting, you'll gain valuable insights effortlessly. For more information or assistance, visit bluezoo.io or contact our support team.